Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to create you one more scanner. So the tweezer bottom on 15 minutes time frame with a customized indicator. So we have to find out the tweezer bottom. So two candles low are must be equal, and that I'm going to plan here in the scanner, and that will help us to find out a trade opportunities at the lowest level. That is also we can plan here, and watch the video carefully, and you can also create this kind of scanners if you know well, and if you want to follow that. So if you can know about an idea for this particular trade. Okay, so let me start the video, and by using our charting scanners, we are going to find out a 15 minutes. I think this video is going to be made for my friend Sachin. He was asking about the scanner, and already I created, and now, so I'm going to update here in my uh, YouTube channel. Okay, so I just go for a create a scanner. Already I'm going to focus in the futures and options, and I have already used that one customized indicator to find out a simple way. So instead of making a longer one, and we can short it, and we can simply make use of that particular scanner. So, and I'm going to create a 15 minutes, and if you have this scanner, you can make this for a multiple time frame also, maybe 30 minutes. So I will show you how to make that and other multiple time frames. So you need to change the time, then it will be working for multiple time frame. Okay, so the day low, that is what 15 minutes low which I'm looking for. That must be not equal. Okay, so I just go for the open and close. I just comparing open price and the close price with this condition on a 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes low, which must be not equal to open and close. So there is a confusion. So we are going to find out a open equal to low, but I'm not going to use that condition. So filter out some stocks. Okay, in easiest way. This one will confuse you. Don't confuse it. Simply we are going to make the scanner. Finally, you will be getting such a good result by using this particular thing, and we can also find out of the low also be the bottom. So maybe it will be working for you better. So this is what a first 15 minute candle low not equal to. I'm just using the open close is about a list condition of open and close. Okay, and also the same minus 15 minutes low also not equal to the least of open and close. That is what the second condition. And finally, I just going to create you the open the low of 15 minutes and must be equal to minus one candle below of previous candle. So if you are using this 15 minutes both, I'm just creating it for a 15 minutes. After that we can change it, and here it should be the minus one candle. Two candle I'm just comparing. If I'm making you will be getting a lot of stocks, almost 12 stocks we got it. Okay, and this will find out you will be getting an such a kind of scanners. So you will be getting this much of stock, so you can verify it whether it is right or wrong. Okay, so let me go for a chamber fertilizer, HCL Tech. So a lot of stocks which is happening and 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so that will help you to find the trades by using the tweezer bottom. So let me go to check HCL Technologies and Canfin Worms. So HCL Technologies, and we need to compare. So previous one is around 1267, and this is also be a 1267. This is what a scanner condition which I have used, the low, previous candle low, and the current candle low exactly. And you can look at this previous one as a red and the current one was a green. Such a thing which I'm going to plan with here. And one more condition which I'm going to add, and the subgroup filters. So we can filter already we have made. So we can use a subgroup filters. So we can use here, and we can drag this on the top. Okay, one more condition which I'm going to create. So again here also be the futures, and one more subgroup filters which I'm going to create. So to get some good result. Stock process and all. So the same condition which I'm going to copy here, and I can drag it. So this is what a final condition, but here in this case, I'm just using equal. Again, the same one. So I'm going to make minus one candle. And the first one also be good enough. So the second one, which will fetch you the equivalent one. With the same condition, which we can go over here, and that's it. So here we can use any of this condition. If you are using any of this condition, let me go for, we'll be getting 12 stocks from this list in Excel. So you can track, and if you have saved it, so you will be getting the list of stocks, what are the stock which forming such a pattern. So randomly we can check on the 15 minutes which is happening. Infosys, Larsen and Toubro. Let me check on the last two candles. The low is around 1378. The next candle also 1378. So that's a equivalent one. We can look at this equivalent one. So if you are using, this is also be not an important, but if you are using, you will be getting some stocks where we removed. Okay. So this is what the condition which I focused. And one more condition. So first of all, we save the scan as a test one. So if you require test, I just submit this as a test one. So here you will be getting back test. So a lot of stocks which we have shown even the back test result also. If you are using both the conditions, okay, you'll be getting a lot of stocks. Maybe at this point, 230, or even we can go with here 1045 today. So GMR, ONGC. Okay, ONGC, GMR Infra. Let me go for ONGC 1045. This flows around 182.25. 5 paisa are different. It is showing here in the list. Maybe the data. So 82.25 and 82. So better we can remove this. 1055. Yeah. ONGC, GMR Infra. So that has also be there in the list. Maybe some data mismatch. 1055. 1045. So maybe 5 paisa gap. GMR. I will go to check GMR Infra. 55. Yeah, both are equal at this time. Okay, so we find out the stock which forming such a pattern. So both should be a right one. So we can use it. See, okay, okay, run. So this is what a normal condition which you have created already. And after finding this and the recent low, that 15 minutes low, if you are using the day low, it will be a repainting one. So I'll just go for 15 minutes low to find out the stock reversal opportunity equals to day low. To find out. You are using this by any of this condition. There is no stocks. Okay, so if you are using day low, so very few number of stocks. It will go for a Federal Bank at 2 p.m. on yesterday. Maybe Federal Bank yesterday. This may be at 2 p.m. Maybe at that point it is reversed from. But if you are using day low, so it will be repaint. Okay, so this will be a repaintable one. Okay, instead of the day low, 15 minutes low equals to uh, minimum equals to minimum duration, minimum 10 candles. So it will not repeat. Okay. Let me add this. If you're using like this, it will never repeat. Even any stock which triggers your stop loss also be there here. You can see this much of stock at this time of 115. So X side. Yeah, 115. This low on the 10 candle comparing the last 10 candles low. So maybe we need to increase that number of candles. Tata Steel, Wipro, in Manappuram. So lot of stocks. Manappuram. So we need to increase that. So 10 candles low comparing the last 10 candles, that may be the low. Okay. So if you want to use the maximum number of candles to reduce, maybe around the 25 candles. In here, if you are using 25 candles, and this will never repaint. That is what an important conditions which you are using here. So here you can see on 26th only Federal Bank and only the stock. Maybe today we don't get me any stocks. Maybe if a stop loss also, that will be available. So see the scan and the submit. So let me check on any back test whether we got a stop loss. This lays Sriram Manappuram on 26,945 Manappuram. Maybe if stop loss trigger and the scanner will be available in this list. That is what important. Okay, so 26,945, 23rd, 26th, 25th. You can see here, if I'm going to plan for a trade here, the low is 127, high again the low is 127. So if I'm taking either around 128 or even I'm just focusing about 129, whatever the price which I'm looking for. But if I'm taken here at this moment, this low is broken, but still the stock which is available in the list. So this kind of repaint, not repaint or scanner only, we can do the back test. But we find that but we are looking for an after maybe this is also this is not exact one. So after the downtrend, we are looking for a trend reversal. But after that, this high is broken. Maybe it went higher, so no problem. But we have finding out the scanner with the 15 minutes and whatever the time was shown here, this 15 minutes, and this will fetch you. You can modify it. So like whatever the number of candle which you are looking for, 20, 30, 40. So that you can. So that if you are increasing, you will be finding out a very least low. So maybe for example, 60 candles. That means 60 15 minutes candle which I'm looking for. If I'm just making it, so maybe some stocks, yeah, the same thing of Federal Bank. And at this point, October 11:30 is about a PVR INX. So it's about a lower level buying opportunity. Maybe stop loss is very small. We are using a 15 minutes. The time frame is 11:30 on 26. 11:30 on 26. Maybe at this point, both the lows around 72.6 and 72.6. And after the big downtrend, maybe this is also be a stop loss, but after that it recovered. So we are trying to find out a very lowest level, such a pattern in the tweezer bottom. So with this help of this particular scanner, so I'm going to share that my premium group. So if you are already in my premium group, you can modify and you can change because in my premium group you have a full edit and a copy rights, so you can make utilize it. You can change your higher the time frame also. Maybe whatever the number which you can modify here, that works based on that. So this is called a quick scanner for a tweezer bottom, that we can simply find out the stocks by using this particular scanner. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any other questions or a doubt, just ping me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this.